Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra has been launched and is becoming quite popular. If you have decided which one you will pick, the second most important thing is which color you like to choose from, as it comes with variety of colors. Depending on which region you are in, but the basic choice of colors will be the same everywhere. I got my hands on with few colors in the local store as they did not have all the colors available. So let's start the video and see the colors in detail. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Let's start with all the colors Samsung is offering for these devices. There is Mystic Bronze, there is Mystic Green, Mystic Grey, Mystic Black and Mystic White. Also for Korean market and some other region, there is a Mystic Pink, Blue and Red color variant. There might be some more color options, but at the time of making this video, I'm not aware about. But Samsung can always surprise us with some new colors in the future. I live in UAE and let me explain which colors are available for this region. Let's start with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Note 20 Ultra comes in 3 colors here. Let's start with Mystic Bronze. I think this is the most impressive of all the colors. The best thing about this color is that it comes in matte finish, which gives an exclusive and classy look. And also because of the matte finish, it gives a solid grip and is not so slippery, unlike the other shiny glassback finish. The in-hand feel is quite comfortable and feels like you're holding a premium smartphone. Let's talk about the Mystic White color. It's also quite impressive apart from the fingerprint magnet glass back. I quite like the camera cutout. It has a contrasting silver color, matching the silver color of the frame, which gives it a unique look. But it might be slightly slippery and you should use a case to avoid fingerprints. Now talking about the Mystic Black color, I did not get a chance to do hands-on, but it's exactly similar as the S20 Ultra Black color with a shiny back. Now let's talk about Galaxy Note 20 colors. Galaxy Note 20 also comes with a Mystic Bronze color, but is certainly not similar to the impressive Note 20 Ultra Metallic Bronze, as the Note 20 uses polycarbonate material, in simple words, plastic or you can say a glass-stick finish, which usually Samsung uses for their mid-end smartphones like Galaxy A51 or A71. The good thing is that it's a matte finish which does look impressive, but certainly not a premium look as the Ultra. There is also a Mystic Green color, a beautiful subtle color with matte finish. Let's talk about Mystic Grey color. It's a dark grey, almost like a black color. I think it's a great choice of color by Samsung. There are some more colors, unfortunately will not be available in this region, and as always you do get some impressive, awesome looking Samsung accessories for these stunning smartphones. Now talking about the design of Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, there is nothing on the left side. On the right you have a power and the volume rockers. At the top you have the SIM tray and secondary microphone. At the bottom you have the S Pen, stereo speaker, USB Type-C port and the main microphone. Kindly let me know in the comments below which color and device has impressed you the most. I hope you enjoyed this color comparison. You can also click here for Galaxy Note 20 playlist of videos I have made on my channel. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to see more videos on my channel. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.